Not look at it. I've never seen such a terrible woman. Just because of a conflict with his family. He cut off all contact in a fit of anger, and then came to this mountain alone, tried to rely on his excellent craftsmanship, and built a double-story bamboo and wooden house with bamboo, so that for a long time to come, can live away from the bed and live alone in this big mountain. At first, the girl didn't have such plans, but the failure of the marriage and the persecution of her parents made the girl finally come to this point. Later, the girl's husband was a history teacher and has been working at a private middle school in the town since graduate. The girl was introduced by no one, and not long after they met, they were attracted by her husband's humorous conversation, so she soon had. In addition to the girl's parents, they have always felt that teaching is a very good profession, so they are also very supportive. What people didn't expect was that the two had just been married for less than half a year, and the girl unexpectedly discovered that her husband was carrying her back and hooking up with other. When he was first found, the husband also promised very sincerely that he would never do it again in the future, and begged the girl to forgive him. The girl at first felt that her husband was still only verbally provocative, and there was no substantial progress, so she put up with it for the sake of face. But what the girl did not expect was that her forbearance did not win her husband. In the next 2 or 3 months, and one after another discoveries, the husband is still continuing to cheat on other women, but the girl couldn't bear it. In a fit of anger, he ran directly back to his mother's house, ready. Unexpectedly, when the girl's parents learned about it, they were very opposed, bluntly saying that marriage is the top priority in a woman's life and cannot be. Besides, the other party is just verbally provocative. Also, didn't have any other women really. What happened? Let the girl endure and pass over. Pay more attention in the future. For parents' thoughts, the girl was also very shocked. Her parents couldn't accept it. Facing their constant daily labor, the girl couldn't bear it anymore. With unresolved frustrations, she longed to escape the noise and live alone in the mountains. She left a simple note for her parents. The girl took her dog and came to this mountain alone, ready to start a new life. Now let's watch how the girl builds her bamboo house. Please like, subscribe, share, and support our channel. She's built the frame with bamboo and wood, dividing spaces for doors and windows. Now she's building the 2-story structure. Sturdy wood forms pillars and braces, fixed with nails and wire. Bamboo pieces are neatly laid for other parts. Columns and beams are tiled closely. This makes it stable, beautiful, and weather-resistant. Her non-stop work is truly admirable. Her building skills are impressive, making quick progress. Next, she'll make and install doors and windows. Isn't this girl amazing? Please show your support with a free like. She'll add bamboo fencing and simple furniture to complete her new home. How would you rate her finished product?